Komachielo en ni Senator ma kaunti ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna koroni to wuokoko kendo yango ni oikore mar bedo koda twaka gi jowetegi magoiko mawuok e ODM kata mago bende luongore kaka Team Linda Ground. Kanoloso kod jofwambo chieng' ma kawuono Sifuna wacho ni gibiro bedo koda twaka kata kamano nyaka gibed koda winjruok makende kotenore koda kaka sirikal tayo chenro mage e pacho kaendi ka oluwo ni gie thuolo ni sirikal kosebedo ka tayo chenro mage e yone endo mano makare ka oriwo nyaka ni weche giko mago mag monj maka kod kacha osebedi ka itimo koda moko kuom jotelo magoiko mantiere piny owacho.
The only way now is a physical brawl, and we are going to reject that invitation to a physical war. Let us sit down. Send your best debaters. Send them and let us debate the issues. Whoever it is you feel that, for instance, one of the things that we have said within ODM is that our brothers have never tried to persuade us why William Ruto deserves a second term. They have never tried. They are forcing us to accept a position without ever trying to persuade us. Let us have a debate between these characters who sing two terms and those of us who believe that William Ruto does not deserve an extra day in office. Let us have, you can host the debate wherever it is you want. Hey, let's go to Catholic University or the University of Nairobi. Point by point, tell us why that criminal who kills young people deserves to continue as President of the Republic of Kenya. It's that simple. And allow us to also persuade you that we can actually build a country, a government that respects human rights, a government that respects the dignity of the people of Kenya, a government that does not have to kill anyone in order to perpetuate itself in power. We are ready for that debate. Are you prepared for that debate? Or have you decided that you are going with goons and that is the entire argument? So we want to condemn in the strongest terms what has happened, what happened to Senator Osotsi. We are grateful that he is okay and that this afternoon he gets to go home to his family. But we want to say without any fear that the person responsible for these goons has been identified by the people of Kisumu, by the people of Western Kenya. He is the Interior PS, Raymond Omolo. We want that guy to be out of that office in the next 2 weeks, or else we will now be forced to take certain steps to ensure that he's out of that office.